Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another fun makeup tutorial for you. Today my theme is very close to my heart. Roses, reddish pink roses. I love flowers, I love all the roses. Roses are my favorite, but red roses, reddish pink roses, those are my absolute favorite, and it brings back all the childhood memories. You know why? Because my mom started gifting me those roses occasionally. Actually, it would be a rose bud which she would give me, and I would keep that rose bud in a glass of water, and then next day I'll see the magic and I'll be so excited and thrilled that, oh wow, fresh rose. It was a rose bud yesterday. So as a little girl, it was very magical. These are the swatches which I'm going to use. Isn't it pretty? A bright pink, a bright red, a soft shimmery pink, and a dark shimmery green. So these are the 4 shades which I'm going to play with. Get similar shades in your collection and get started with me. Let me start with my bright pink first, and then see the magic here. Yay! Awesome feeling. It is summertime, and I'm surrounded by so many flowers, lilies, sunflowers, and all the flowers are so pretty. I love them all, but rose has a special place in my heart, and especially pink, reddish pink and bright pink roses. The rose which I took as my theme, actually I saw the bright pink and a soft pink, both the colors mixed in together in that one fresh rose. Oh, it was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Actually very, very, very happy to see that and to create that, recreate that. I'm going to dip my brush in that bright pink and red together, and again concentrating right here. Started with that bright pink, but now I'm layering it with bright pink and bright red. Alright, even if roses are not your favorite flower, I'm sure you would love this look. Look at that. Already bringing smile to my face. Okay, now I'm going to take that soft shimmery pink. It is very soft, so you can either choose a very light shimmery pink, or if you want, you can choose a very light buttery shimmer. If you have any soft shimmer, that would work and look fabulous. Concentrating on the center of my lid, on the left eye. Okay, it doesn't have to be pinpointed, you just have to press on your lid. Okay, all right, look how brightening is that. Now dusting and overlapping with the pink and red. Okay, I do not want to lose any color, but it has to be blended. Alright, see how gorgeous. Now I'm going to take that green and use my ring finger to just pat it here. Overlap with that soft shimmery pink and red and the pink, the bright one. Green leaves and reddish pink rose. That is the theme. Now I'm going to take an outer corner brush and use that same green again and make an arrow and give it a little, nice smoky effect right there. So excited to create this look, so excited to play with these colors. Concentrate and pat it, blend it and build it. Almost weekend, right? and I have a very nice theme for tomorrow. Weekend special, nice funny theme. Now I'm going to take that pink and red again. Just dab your brush together. Doing the same thing on the other eye. It's my makeup playtime and I am very excited, as you all can see. Right? Now I'm going to take that soft shimmery pink one more time and I'm going to pat it on my lid, first with my finger and then with a patting brush. Wow, awesome. It's just awesome. And how quick was that? I love shimmers. And done. Quick, easy, party ready. A little bit more right there so that everything is blended, overlapped. By the way, it's a very nice sunny day. I'm super happy to see that rose and recreate on my legs. If you like roses, what is your favorite color? Do you like yellow, white, pink, purple? There are so many colors, right? Choose your color. You can let me know about that and I will try to recreate that. It gives me immense joy when I use all my color palettes and I create something new every day. Okay, now I'm going to take those three colors, The first one is green, the second one is bright red, and the third one is bright pink. And concentrating on my lower lash line. Let's get started. Green. Have you already made your weekend plans? Then I'm going to take that beautiful, bright, I use that word a lot, beautiful, because all the colors are beautiful to me. And this is absolutely fun for me to play with those colors. And the bright pink, taking it to the innermost corner of my eyes today. Just look at that. Now I'm going to take that teeny tiny brush in my collection and the smallest brush in my collection. Very important, as you all know. And I'm going to take that bright pink one more time, and today I'm making that my inner pop. In fact, I'm connecting it to the crease color, giving me a nice petal shape effect. Okay, doing the same thing again here. See? Alright, do you see that beautiful pink? Because I really want that pink to pop a lot. Okay, now I'm going to take that brush, which is absolutely useful for the crease area and the transition area, and going to take the pink another time and connecting right here, where I actually used green, overlapping that green with that bright pink a little bit more, and doing the same thing right here. I think you can make out how excited I am today to create that beautiful rose, because it's my tribute to all the roses that make me smile all the time. Okay, right there. Pretty happy. Now I'm going to line my eyes, curl my lashes, apply a couple of coats of mascara, and then I will join you. Okay, I have lined my eyes, but I did not curl my lashes yet because I want to do something with that green. Okay, and that something is using that green one more time and overlapping that black liner. That black liner is pretty rich, but the green is looking nice on top of that. Just overlapping that. overlapping that black because I want that leafy green effect on my eyes today. It goes well with the pink petals, right? You can use a green liner if you want to, because I think that would look nice as well, but I like black liner a lot and I like to use shadow on top of that liner. See, is it nice? I think it is. And now I'm going to curl my lashes, couple of coats of mascara, and then that would be my finished look. Okay, a little bit clean up. Alright my friends, I think I've achieved the look. I am pretty happy with the look. It is beautiful, rosy rose. I was very excited to create this look and I did that, so I'm pretty happy, absolutely thrilled. And I want you to take these colors and play with it and create something unique and special to you and share your makeup experiences with me. You all know that you are welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary to watch fun makeup tutorials. Tomorrow will be another beautiful day and tomorrow is Friday, so it will be a fun Friday makeup tutorial for me for sure. So I will meet you tomorrow. Come back soon and play with these beautiful colors. Bye for now. Have fun. Rock the look.